Hello friends, welcome to Dental Adda. In this video, we are going to discuss Ivory No. 1 retainer placement in class 2 restorations. For this, the armamentarium required are different sizes of bands, Ivory No. 1 retainer, maxillary cast and mandibular cast. Ivory matrix band holder number 1 is most commonly used matrix band holder for unilateral class 2 tooth preparations. Before proceeding in this video, first we will discuss the parts of Ivory No. 1 retainer. The matrix holder has a claw at one end with two semicircular arms having a pointed projection at the end. On the other end of matrix band holder, there is a screw which when tightened brings the ends of both the claws closer to each other. Band used with this matrix has one margin slightly projected in its middle part. This projection margin is kept towards the gingiva on the side of tooth preparation. Then the appropriate size of matrix band is selected depending on the size of tooth. Keeping the matrix band around the tooth, the screw of the retainer is tightened so that the band perfectly fits around the tooth. After this, wedge is placed, which also helps in further adaptation of the matrix band to the tooth. The whole assembly can be removed by loosening the screw which is present at the other end of matrix band retainer. For distal occlusal class 2 cavities, matrix band will be outside the semicircular claw of the matrix band holder. And for the mesio-occlusal class 2 cavities, matrix band will be inside the semicircular claw of the matrix band holder. The assembly that was used for restoring distal occlusal class 2 cavity in mandibular arch can also be used for restoring distal occlusal class 2 cavity in the maxillary arch, and vice versa. Here is the example for this justification. I hope after watching this video you will be able to apply Ivory No. 1 retainer in your day-to-day practice.